Today we're going to do a short tutorial on bringing sound into Blender. Very basic introduction. Open up your Blender program and leave everything as is. Follow the cursor. We're going to change our editor from 3D View to Video Sequence Editor. Alright, now click Add, Sound, and locate your sound file. Now go back and change the editor to 3D View and click Play. And there you go. Now I have mine from Sound Bible. There's a lot of places you can get royalty-free sounds to play with. Music to play with is Incompetech.com. That's really a great one for royalty-free sounds. Well, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and remember, new videos are uploaded every Sunday. As always, stay strong, stay awesome.